Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. My dear students, a very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. In today's class, we will revise the yesterday's topic, and I hope you all remember that what we have done in yesterday's class. We in our previous class, yes, the concept of plane and solid shapes. Yes, remember? Very good. So, my dear students, bring out your books. Open page number 46 and 47. Quickly, hurry up. Okay. So, see here on page number 46, there are plane shapes, and on page number 47, here are solid shapes. Today, I will show you some objects and we will discuss about the face, edges, and corners of the shapes. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will talk about plane shapes. Okay, plane shapes. So, what are the plane shapes? Circle, square, rectangle, triangle, and oval. These five are plane shapes. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle, and oval. These are plane shapes. Now, have a look on page number 46. Circle. A circle is round and has no side and no corner. So, see here I have a circle. You can see, and circle have no any side, no any corner. It is round in shape. Yes, you can see this is round in shape and has no corner and no sides. Yes. Okay. A square has, you can see in your books also, four corners and four sides. A square has four sides and four corners, and four sides are equal to each other. Yes. Four equal sides a square have. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These four are the corners of a square. And here 1, 2, 3 and 4. These four are the sides of a square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the sides and these are the corners of square. So a square has four corners and four sides, and four sides are equal. Square has four equal sides. Okay. Now let's talk about a rectangle. Rectangle has also 1, 2, 3, 4. Four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides. See in your book, a rectangle has four sides and four corners. And you also have seen here, this is a rectangle in my hand. See, it has four sides and four corners. But what is the difference between square and rectangle? See, square has four equal sides, but rectangles four sides are not equal. It has two equal sides like this, and these two sides are equal to each other. Okay. Next is triangle. Triangle. Triangle has 1, 2, 3. Three corners and three sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Triangle has three corners and 3 sides. You can see in your book also, here is written a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, the next and last plane shape is oval. Oval has no corner and no side like circle. Yes, these both shapes have no corner and no side, but circle is proper round in shape and oval is not proper circle. This is not a proper round. This is called oval and this is circle, and both have no corner and no side. Okay, I hope you all are understand about plane shapes. Yes. Now we will talk about solid shapes. So here you can see on page number 47, here are solid shapes. First is cube. Cube. A cube has 6 equal faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay. So here you can see a cube in my hand. A dice you can see. This is cube in shape. Yes. It is like a cube. And now we will count its faces, edges and corners. See, this is a cube and these are the faces of cubes. See, these are the faces of cubes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here you can see in your book, here is written 6 equal faces. 6 equal faces. You can see 6 equal faces in a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it has 6 faces. Now we will count the edges. 12 edges it have. You can see these are called edges. In a plane shape, these are called sides. Yes, but in solid shapes, these are called edges. Now we will count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 12 edges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges you can see and 8 corners. 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 corners. Clear? Now we will talk about a cuboid. Cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Same like a cube, cuboid has also same. You can see this is a pencil box and this is cuboid in shape. Let's count the edges of a cuboid. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners and 6 equal faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not equal. Sorry, cuboid has equal faces, but cuboid has not equal faces. Okay. Like rectangle, it has not equal sides and not equal faces. Now we will talk about cylinder shape. Cylinder has 3 faces. You can see here is written in the book 3 faces and 2 edges and no corner. Cylinder has no corner. It has 3 faces and 2 edges. See, here I have a marker. It is cylinder in shape. Yes, you can see this is like a cylinder and it has three faces. Where the faces, see, 1, 2, and this is the third face of the cylinder. Okay, and cylinder has two edges. See, one is there and one is here. Okay, cylinder has two edges and three shapes. Here I have a cone shape. See, like a birthday cap. This is a cone. This is cone in shape, and cone has, you can see here, two faces, one edge, one corner. See, cone has two faces. Where are the two faces of cone? One is here. This is the face of cone, and the another face of cone is here inside. This portion of the cone is its second face. 1 and 2. Two faces, one edge and one corner. See, one corner you can see in the cone here. This is the corner of, yes, cone. Cone has only one corner and one edge. Where is its edge? This is called edge. This is edge. Okay. Now the last is sphere. Sphere. See, I have one ball in my hand and this is sphere in shape. Sphere have only one face. Only one face. No edges, no corners. It has only single one face. This is a sphere. Okay. Now I hope my all dear students, you all understand about the plane shapes and solid shapes. Yes, understand? Very well done my dear students. Now the homework is this. You have to find out some shapes, some objects in your house, in your room that are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere in shapes. Okay. You have to find solid shapes in your house. Okay. I hope you enjoy the class today. My dear students, bye-bye. Take care. We will meet in our next class now. Bye-bye.